How are you all? Good. I am happy to welcome you and another interesting session. In this session, we are going to see about the famous Muslim festival Bakrid. Yes, this festival is celebrated all over the world. See, this meaning of this festival is the Bakrid meaning is Feast of Sacrifice. Why this is called Feast of Sacrifice? There is an interesting story behind the festival of Bakrid. So there is a person who is called Ibrahim. He is a great believer in God. He is a great believer in God. So he has much faith in God. He is ready to sacrifice his son to God. He is ready to sacrifice his son to God. God accepted his love, devotion, sacrifice, everything. So, instead of his son, God provide a male sheep to sacrifice. A male sheep to sacrifice. That's why on this celebration, especially this Bakrid celebration, people sacrifice, Muslim people sacrifice the male sheep to God. They divided the goat, they divided the sheep into three parts. The first one will be given for the poor people, that means needy people. The second one for them, they kept them. As the Muslim people, they kept it for their own purpose. The third one, the third part is, the third part will be given to the relatives. This is the story behind the festival of Bakrid. Let's we move to our Joy of Celebration book activity. See here, sheep picture is given. Yes, sheep picture is given. We have to color the picture. We have to color the picture. Here the hints are given. How the people celebrate the festival. Yes, what they are given here is Bakrid is a Muslim festival. The meaning of the festival is Feast of Sacrifice. Feast of Sacrifice is the person Ismail. He is ready to, who is ready to sacrifice his son. So God accepted his love, sacrificed everything. That's why instead of his son, God ready to sacrifice sheep, is accepted sheep. And it is symbolized sacrifice, faith and devotion. Already we have discussed. On this day, prayers are offered to the Almighty, to Lord Allah. To Lord Allah. Great feast is served to the relatives. Yes, on that day they make very delicious biryanis, etc. things, and they celebrated this joyous celebration, joyous festival with each other's relatives. The motive of Bakrid, sacrifice everything to reach your goal. Yes, complete this page. Yes, my dear children, let's we move to our textbook activity. Yes, Joy of Celebration textbook activity. Here what is the activity given? You have to color this picture. Yes, sheep. You have to color the sheep. And here we are going to make greeting card. Make greeting card. How do we make a greeting card? See here, I have the cutouts of golden crescent and stars. Take a A4 size chart or white paper, cut out of the golden crescent and the stars, is paste it on the white chart. This is for our bulletin board purpose. See, if it is a school, during the school time, we will do this activity. Nowadays, this is not possible. Okay, so please try to do the activity at home. Yes. And I am applying Fevicol on it. Yes, here we can paste. We will get a nice and beautiful greeting card. Yes, if you have any Muslim friend nearby your house, neighbors, you can give this greeting card to them. Yes, for Bakrid. Likewise, we decorate. I hope you understand and will enjoy this activity. Please try to do the activity with the help of your parents and send the photos to us. Thank you.